What's up, fam? It's your boy Yo Kev and you're watching KOTV. For this video, we're gonna be making a hot Cheeto hamburger. You feel me? Do it yourself. So, I mean, I'm not gonna show you guys exactly the steps, how to, but it's a DIY. You feel me? So stay tuned. She already forgot what we came here for, apparently. But we came here for buns, and we came here for, well, we got everything except the buns. You feel me? We just, yeah. Right now we just got the what was it called?
The meat.
Yeah, no, but what kind of meat though? What was it?
It's basically ground beef.
Yeah, ground beef. Yeah, that's what it is. All right, what buns should I get? Which one should we get though, babe?
I want to get some like they don't have different like sesame ones. Like, I mean, these are okay. You know?
We're also gonna get some hot Cheetos, and we already got cheddar cheese, but we're deciding on what buns to get. You get me? I'm telling her these right here, but I don't know.
Okay, I think.
What you think, babe?
Well, I'm just saying because I like the sesame type seed too. You know, the traditional type.
Okay.
But I mean, we could try these. They look fun too. You know, something different.
All right, baby, and let the fam know what we're doing.
I just put the meat in the container, and I just got spices that we just had in the cabinet, which is just Johnny's, garlic, salt. I don't know if I'm gonna use this steak seasoning yet, but chopped onion, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Okay. We're gonna season the carne with this, and then we will come back.
We're gonna season the carne with some yonis. But let's get the fire started.
You dig? Now we got some light. Say what's up.
What's up?
Okay, babe, look at this.
Sheesh. Okay, I see you.
Now we're just gonna do the one to go on top, but we already put the chips and then the cheese. You can use whatever cheese, but this is the type of cheese we had. And then we gotta make another patty, I guess, bigger, and to fit this one. So that's what we're gonna do. But I didn't make this big enough. This is to be big enough to cover this one. So I think maybe this one. So like that. And then cover the sides. Try to stick that in there, but like that. You should flip it. At least like that's how it looked. Come on, guys. There you go. Baby.
All right, so we got like 6 patties out of this, you know.
Okay.
We're gonna
start putting them on. Were you really grilling out here?
It's currently like what time?
It's like 9, barely like 9:15. I want to say.
9, huh?
Yeah.
They're big boy burgers.
For sure. I kind of made them big, but I mean, you know, if you cook patties homemade, they get kind of small as they cook, you know. But we did get to make some small ones, but we did make some big boy burgers. Sheesh, go big or go home, right? Like you say.
Yeah, damn, it's
I know. Sheesh.
Comment down below if you guys ever seen this or tried this before. If you guys haven't, you guys should. We still gotta rate these, you feel me? And let me know if you guys like these type of videos, these food videos, feel me?
We do not mind making them, but once in a while, or like every so often, it would be dope. Okay. They're kind of popping up, but I mean, that's pretty fire. Look at it. ¿Cómo ves?
Alright, we're finally done, so we're gonna... Is this yours, babe?
That's yours.
Alright, good. And we're gonna prepare our hot dog hamburgers, you feel me?
Hot dog. They're hot Cheeto hamburgers. So we got just basic, like little
necessities.
Yeah, because I mean, it has hot Cheetos in it, so I don't want to throw up the taste too much, you know?
So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my patty in half so we can get a better visual.
Okay.
Let's see what's up. Sheesh. Damn, you guys, look at that. Sheesh. Damn, it smells bomb. Comment down below, what do you guys like putting in your guys' hamburgers? Because there's some people, bro, I came across that don't like anything but the patty.
Yeah.
Probably cheese, if that. You feel me? But
We got some basics, just lettuce, onions. I like avocado.
yeah, me too.
Avocado's pretty
I think I'm gonna add some hot Cheetos, a little bit more hot Cheetos too. For mine.
good. Here you go, your patty.
And we're actually using this right here, this bun. Oh, we actually showed you guys already.
Yeah. I'm gonna go in the kitchen. Oh, there's not.
Look at this right. Oh, you know what I call this? Crunchy water.
Crunch. Oh yeah, that's right. That's so funny. And maybe 2 spices. Oh, I forgot onions.
Oh yeah, but I mean,
I'm gonna put onions.
you're putting?
Yeah, I love onions in my hamburgers for sure.
Yes, sir, ski. I think I fucked up. I should have put the cheese first, and then like that.
Okay, here we go. Look at this.
Well, could you look at that?
Oh, would you look at this? So, como ves, I'm gonna put it that way, turn the light, but I'm gonna put my fork down. I don't know what it looks like. She looks like this.
Sheesh.
Sheesh, with avocado y todo.
So yeah, you guys, we added the extra Flamin'Hot Hot Cheetos. The extra Flamin'Hot Hot Cheetos. So I think I might be wrong, but I think the patties are gonna be a little spicy. Huh, babe?
Yeah. Well, I mean,
That's what we thought, yeah. Alright, you guys, I think I'm already done. You put onion and all that, huh,
I
babe?
put onion in mine. Onion, avocado. I was gonna put some pepper cheese, but
Pepperoni, which one is
the little ones you use up when you yellow peppers.
that? Oh, the banana peppers?
Yeah, the
That's
banana.
what I call them.
Yeah, banana peppers. That's what they're called, but they're called pepper cheese. I don't know what they're really called.
Alright, you're not gonna have the cheese? Avocado?
Yeah, I already have the cheese.
Look at this, you guys. I added more. So, I'm gonna add this on top.
My shit's already packed. Yours is packed good. I feel like mine just stacked, I guess. I don't know. Like, look at yours, look at mine. I mean, I don't know.
Yours is stacked, mine is neat.
Yeah, I guess.
Sheesh.
She's a messy burger.
Yes, sir. I'm excited.
Taste test already? We're gonna, yeah, we have to go. Get it all in one bite? I don't know.
Think so? You know? Nah, it's bomb though. And like you said, I didn't really get a lot of, you know? Mmm.
I haven't got to the middle yet.
Alright. So to be exact, I put mayo, ketchup, lettuce, mild cheddar, and then what I put inside the bun, which you guys seen. I added extra hot Cheetos, and then some avocado.
Extra hot Cheetos, eh?
So it's like, damn. Bro, this right here is probably the best hamburger I've ever tasted. Legit.
Yeah.
Like, it's bomb.
And it's cooked all the way through. I don't like mine. I mean, I've never tried it good, but I'm kind of scared to taste like raw meat like that. You get me? I just... So it's well done for sure.
And it don't taste burnt, you know?
Yeah. Props to my baby. Getting down. Grilling it
But,
always.
you know what's up? Hey, if you're a guy, you can't grill it up. If you burn it too much or it's too raw, like where people get sick from it, honestly, bro, I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, this is not the last time I'm gonna do this for sure. It's probably gonna be like a tradition for me. No cap.
For sure. Come with us. She's a messy burger. Well, at least mine was. I don't know what I did. Yours just came out really.
Neat.
Yeah.
It was even in purpose, babe. If you guys see carefully, I stacked my burger opposite. So like I did this all upside down. So when I stacked it that, it was easy for me to...
Oh, I feel you. Take notes, come with us. Well, we have a couple of them still. We have so 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. But I feel like I'll get full with this one. Oh. I feel like I can't really eat it.
She says it's a fatty, I can't eat it.
That's pretty good, huh?
It's bomb. All the condiments and everything put together. The taste profile is so fire. It's a 10 out of 10, legit. But alright, you guys, if you guys love this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to share. We out.